how to use threads in Instagram updated. On this video, I will show you the exact step to use and install threads on your Instagram app. What is Threads? Threads is a new app built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates, joining public conversation. You log in using your Instagram account, and post can be up to 500 characters long, include links, photos, videos up to 5 minutes. First thing, before you can use Threads on your Instagram app, you must first install or update the app for this new feature. We proceed, tap profile at the bottom, tap menu button, select Threads and hit Get Threads. Now it will open your App Store and Play Store. Hit install and wait for the app to finish the installation and update. Now open the Threads. You can switch accounts if you have another Instagram accounts where you want to use Threads. So log in. To customize your profile, so we hit tap import. Now for the privacy option, you can use public or private profile. Just tap public and continue. So now we can create and share your threads. So to create and use threads, tap note on the center below button and compose your thread. You can also see the replies and share your threads options. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share this video. Thank you.